This is Team 12's artifact review. Um, our sprint plan was to have image data be loaded to the backend server, which is an S3 Amazon bucket, and have the web page be able to retrieve said data from the server, as well as add more small features to existing pages and add new pages as we progress through the project. Starting from the overall view, we don't have a dashboard anymore. We cleaned everything up. Um, the left side is a bit cleaned up. Sponsor suggested that we should keep the original pages that came with the UI kit to use as a reference for future development. So we will be adding those again at sometime soon. But at the moment right now, we have a cleaned up version of all our pages and what they look like and how they should look like, as well as these pages that we are working on the dev branch. The printer page, we have, if you click on printer one, you get a status. You edit the printer name, see the print job at this specific area, add a printer if you want to, 12. Yeah, enter in the components and add the printer. New printer has been made. Different print job, add a print job. Modal for this, add materials, whatever material you want to use. Um, that should be it for now. I believe it doesn't add a print job yet, or I might have just broken it. So just random data inputs here. This new material, new material, new material. Pick a date, pick an end date, estimated time. No, so far it's just a visual modal. Some point soon, you add a printer, print over here. Quotes page. Create a quotes page template so that in the future we can add quotes with the description of the quote and so on, so on. Orders page. This is uh, kept from the old previous entries. Simple, same template. Nothing we've changed here at all. But just as a placeholder for things that for page route link for the future. Website settings. Added a icon or logo you could add. You could select a file on your computer and then save it to the S3 bucket, and then it will retrieve that file when you look at the shop. And you have all these entries to save all these things. Contact info is provided here: email, phone number, address, city, state, country, um, social media. Account settings, same thing. Edit, save, nothing really changed. Help, you can add a new article. Could be red, red, red. Close. Hasn't added a new article yet, so there's that. Let me refresh the page to make sure. No, so it doesn't add an article yet as far as saving out of the database. Then you can retrieve it later. So that's in work in progress. But the modal has been made. Account. When you have a customer account, you can edit all these features. The first name, the customer, phone number. This is from the customer viewpoint. When the customer wants to edit their information here, they would do it through this. The shop itself, we made it to its own view. So this would be the view of the customer would have when looking at the shop. Um, we also change it to where it is public now, auth public shop. In order to view a specific shop, you will have to supply it with the um, email of the shop, ID capstone, and that will give you the specific shop in mind um, with its own image. I'll go into that more later, but you have everything saved here as far as preset settings, if there is or isn't any, but more importantly, the contact information from the settings page and the links are saved down here from the settings page. So it grabs it from the database, brings it here for viewing. They go back, have the backtrack, and go to sign in page, same thing, same thing. Now to show off the functionality, choose a file, We saw it was this file. You want to choose this file, click it, save, check shop. Have to do it the specific way now. And it should be its own image like that. Need to restrict image size, but so far it would grab it from the Amazon S3 bucket, or when you set up, you will upload an image to the S3 bucket. The image name will be saved to the database table, and then whenever you open this shop with the email and the URL, it will grab the image saved on the database from the S3 bucket to your web page, so that you can upload and pull images specific to the web page you're looking at. Artifacts, that is it for now for the dev branch. I want to go a bit into the main branch to show off um, some of the other features we have there. So we're in the main branch. It's entirely different. So this is the main branch right now. We're on the dev branch. Development branch is what we're using for development before pushing the main. So this is what it looked like before the sprint had concluded. Here we have a message page, which hasn't been integrated in the dev branch at the moment. Default, everything like that. This is with the help page, the articles. This is what we had before. You put the description, and it will actually work. But our sponsor wanted it done another way, so we had to do it another way. So this is before, after our last sponsor meeting. The old pages from the UI kit, the old look, but that's all I want to show. The developments that happened before the last sponsor meeting was that we had the message page, the help page functionality, and that was it for now. But this is it for the artifact review. Thank you very much.